leading a new era in pasta packaging. HICOCA's fully automatic weighing and bagging machine for pasta. Precise weighing, with an error of only plus or minus 3 grams. Round plastic packaging facilitates automated sorting, boxing, bagging, storage, and transportation of finished products, prevents damage to packaging. With a low breakage rate, achieve a new experience in efficient, stable, and waste-free smart packaging. Using a candy lever beam sensor and a 2-stage weighing mode, we achieve rapid estimations with coarse weighing and precise additions with fine weighing. Weighing accuracy reaches plus or minus 2 to plus or minus 3 grams, with a pass rate exceeding 96%. This effectively controls costs and eliminates waste. Efficient material handling and stable conveying system intelligently adjusts the handling rhythm to accommodate various noodle shapes. A front-mounted cutter allows for the production of products in various lengths. The upgraded equipment features a double handling and double-deck feeding design, minimizing drop height and preventing pasta breakage and mess. The chain scraper conveyor eliminates the problems of traditional cantilever structures, prone to sticking and damage. The integrated trough structure of the conveyor line has a straightness controlled within 15 wires, and it runs smoothly with low noise. Fully automatic packaging system, equipped with a high-speed motion controller and high-precision servo drive system. This system improves packaging accuracy, stability, and durability. The packaging machine is equipped with an Omron intelligent electronic control system, which monitors material status in real time to prevent empty or leaking packages. The vertical seal is neat, and the horizontal seal is cleanly cut. Depending on the product specifications, the packaging speed can reach 30 to 60 packages per minute. One person can manage a daily output of 36 to 48 tons, effectively reducing labor and packaging costs. HICOCA's pasta packaging equipment features intelligent linkage throughout the entire process, from weighing to packaging, ensuring data visibility and control. HICOCA has served numerous leading noodle companies with a domestic market share exceeding 70%. HICOCA's fully automatic pasta packaging machine, more than just a piece of equipment. It's your strategic partner on the path to intelligent manufacturing.